In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video size in Shotcut. We'll walk through two practical ways to resize your video. First, by using a filter on a specific clip, and then by adjusting the project's overall resolution. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each method and how to get clean, professional results. Start by making sure your video is on the timeline and the clip you want to adjust is selected. That way, any changes you make will apply to the right piece of media. Open the Filters panel, click the plus icon, and type Size into the search box. From the results, choose Size, Position, and Rotate. This is the tool that gives you precise control over scaling and placement. Once the filter is applied, you can change the size in a couple of simple ways. Use the zoom control to scale the clip up or down with smooth, even adjustments. This is great for precise, incremental changes. You can also resize directly in the preview by dragging the corner handles of the on-screen box. Pull outward to make the video larger or inward to make it smaller. If you need to center or reposition the clip, click and drag from the middle of the frame in the preview. That lets you place the video exactly where you want it, which is helpful for picture-in-picture or when you're framing a specific subject. Keep an eye on the edges of your frame while resizing so you don't accidentally crop out important content or leave unwanted black bars. If your video's aspect ratio is different from your project's, you may see letterboxing or pillar boxing. Adjust the scale and position until it looks the way you intend. If you want to change the size of the entire project, rather than just a single clip, go to the top menu, click Settings, then Video Mode. Choose Custom, then Add. Here you can set a custom resolution for your project, such as a specific width and height. This defines the overall canvas your video will use and will carry through to export. Pick the resolution that matches how you plan to deliver the video, whether that's standard HD, vertical, square, or something else suited to your needs. That's it. You can resize a single clip with the size, position, and rotate filter, or set a custom project resolution in video mode when you need a different canvas. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips.